Welcome to DJMT.
My people, I greet you now. Welcome now once again to DJMT. We make now do it to follow us, like, share, and subscribe. Now here we bring all the Obunge news they come your way. On today news, all of us know Mr. Reno. We don't dey against our president since when they don't announce and say na him be the correct president for this country. Don't dey against town. We will go Chicago, go find out. We see whether truly say our president go that school. Go Chicago University, go find that. But so our surprise now, he don't come be good supporter of Tinubu. Nigerians can come out and say, wait it change. Because we not say you dey against him because you say not being win the election. You not like the man. How come all of a sudden you dey support him? You dey rain praises on her. I want to play on the video, make una hear waiting in talk concerning this matter. Watch this video, reach the end.
Went to Chicago, you came back and you started talking good about Bola Tinubu, someone that you have opposed, and those people will believe that something really has happened. It's changed Reno's mind. Maybe according to those who oppose you or your opponents, they said, look, you have been compromised because what you say you wouldn't stand for, things that you're already talking about and you're supporting, you've been talking about gleefully about how great Bola Tinubu is, someone you have spoken against in the past.
No, that's not accurate. I've never said how great Bola Tinubu is. And to go exactly, or rather, to go to your point, I did go to Chicago. I went to Chicago September 18th, and then I visited the University of the Chicago State University September 19th. Now, I went there with the aim of exposing Bola Tinubu as a fraud and as somebody who was claiming a degree that he did not have. When I went there, I did a recording of myself there. A lot of all these other people that talk on social media and then they bamboozle Nigerians, they didn't go there. I went there. And when I went there, I was told in no uncertain terms by the powers that be at that university that this man did attend the university. I was shown documentary photographic evidence. And so, if you look at my statement, before September 19th, I was saying that Bola Tinubu did not attend Chicago State University. After September 19th, I said, listen, the man did attend Chicago State University because I'm not going to lie and say that a person did not attend a school that he attended. Now, I went there September 18th and September 19th of 2022. And then 3 months later, in December, I was protesting Bola Tinubu in front of Chatham House. So if I was compromised, how would I now, 3 months later, be protesting against Bola Tinubu at Chatham House? I mean, the Chatham House event was even more famous than the Chicago State University event. It's just that I'm not going to oppose Bola Tinubu on the basis of a lie. Now, having said that, when he assumed office, the policies that we said we were going to do, the man is doing them. Floating the currency, I was one of the first people to champion that. Removal of subsidy, I've been in support of that since the Obasanjo administration. Student loan, I've written about that. I said that bandit leaders should be killed. The man has killed Ali Kachala. He has killed Boderi, who has been terrorizing Kaduna. He has killed Sani Dangote, who was terrorizing Zamfara and Jigawa. So, obviously, when he does those things, I will praise him. General Muhammadu Buhari was our president for 8 years. 17 times publicly, when he did things that were right, I praised him. That is how I am. I will support my country all the time, and I'll support my government when they deserve it.
Do you know what your opponents are saying?
I don't care what they say.
No, but they are saying that you only switched your position, or you changed your mind because they've reached out to you and you have been compromised. That, simply put, you have been given money.
Okay, well, that is... it's their own opinion, and I'm not going to be moved by anybody's opinion. But if they have any evidence to the fact that I've been giving money, let them bring it out. Let them come and say, okay, I've been giving money. No, I have not collected a dime from the Bola Tinubu administration, and I'm not going to collect a dime from this administration at all. I do have a brother in this administration, Malam Nuhu Ribadu, and Malam Nuhu Ribadu and I are so close. We've been very close even before he was in this administration. We spent time together in California over a decade ago.
Is it the one who reached you to support this government?
So say that again?
Is it the one who reached you and convinced you to work for this government?
I mean, I wouldn't say that he reached me and convinced me to work for this government. I don't work for this government, However, when he was appointed as a national security advisor, I did say publicly that as long as Malam Nuhu Ribadu is in this administration, that I will give Nigeria all my support. I said that publicly. I did not hide that. Malam Nuhu Ribadu is not the kind of person that will give anybody a dime. I am not sure. I can't speak for him, but I don't think that Malam Nuhu Ribadu is. I don't want to embarrass him, but I'm not sure he's a rich man.
So, because of Nuhu Ribadu, that's why you're supporting Bola Tinubu's government?
I'm not supporting Bola Tinubu's government. I'm supporting Nigeria.
People that don't watch the video finish, that don't hear waiting in talk, say they're not paying, he choose to just support them because if you say the man they do the right thing. Wetin I think concerning this matter, I smell something fishy inside the fish pond. Make una do well to like, share, and drop your comment for comment section. Until we meet again for another news, always do well to stay safe. Una do. DJ